Welcome to another exciting lesson. Let's learn together. Well, this is another IG past question number 9, May June 2016. We are given this to find the value of W when x to the power 72 divided by x to the power W is equal to x to the power 8. And this is indices. We learned in our previous lesson that when you are dividing and the bases are the same, per the rule, we subtract the exponents. And so this is with an equal to sign, and so it is an equation. So at this stage, because this is division and then the bases are the same, we are going to subtract the exponents, and then the term we have here at the right side of the equal to sign is also of the base x, and so we can easily equate the exponent. So we maintain our x. Because it is dividing, we're going to subtract the exponent. 72 minus w is equal to x to the power 8. Here the bases are also the same, and so we're going to equate the exponent. So we have 72 minus w is equal to 8. Don't be confused. Even here, the base is given to the x. It is just like any variable or any number. And so when the bases are the same, we equate the exponent. And so solving this, we want to make w the subject, or we are finding the value of the w. And so we move the 8 to the left side and we move the w to the right side. So we have 72 minus 8 is equal to w. And so 72 minus 8 is giving us 64, which is equal to w. And so given this, to find the value of w, we now have 64. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you again.